Yo, what is up, YouTube? Welcome to my first video. This channel is not meant to gain any followers or subscribers or views. I'm not really here for that. I simply want to put out content for any CLS owners, any W218, whether you are a CLS 63 owner or a CLS 550 owner, or if you want to get a CLS, this channel might be for you. It is currently 5:08 in the morning, and I'm getting ready to go to Chicago, and I'm basically going to do an unboxing in this video. We're going to be going to install an X pipe from Summit Racing. All right, guys, so in this box we have an X pipe from MagnaFlow. I decided to order through Summit Racing. It was the cheapest I found on the internet. It was $140, I believe, with free shipping. Got here 2 days. Let's go ahead and get this unboxing going. And here we have the X pipe. So really cool. They did send out some stickers, so shout out Summit, thank you. And here we have the X pipe. Nothing fancy. This video is inspired by Redline Racing Garage. This is a 2.5 inlet by 2.5 outlet X pipe, and here's the number if you want to look it up for your CLS. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. So essentially, this is going to be replacing the resonator. It's very light, right? Kind of what it looks like. Decent welding. I mean, nothing crazy on there, but this should give it that rumble that we're looking for. One thing, I mean, the main reason I decided to go with this X pipe, I just honestly, I don't want anything obnoxious on my car. There's lots of guys out there with burble tunes. I'm not a fan of them. So again, I know in the comments down below, there's gonna be people talking about, oh, get catless downpipes. Let's just start off by saying I just want a light rumble. I don't want anything obnoxious with burble tunes. It's not the kind of sound I'm going for. With that being said, this should give it some turbo spool, I believe. There are secondary resonators that I'm also going to be removing and probably replacing with straight pipe. So we're going to start here with the X pipe, and if we like the sound, we can refine it a little more and finish off with those mufflers in the rear. All right, so let's head out to the garage. We're going to do a cold start. I'm going to do some revs. My car is completely bone stock, so you guys are going to be able to hear exactly what my car sounds like before and after the X pipe. I'm not expecting to hear a crazy difference, but if I can get even like the most minimal turbo spool, I'll be happy. Or if I can get a little more of that rumble from that V8. Guys, so we're pulling into Roberto's Performance again.
And see what the code is and go from there.
Listo. All right, y'all, definitely recommend. You guys should definitely pull up to Roberto's. Right here in the city of Cudahy, here in Milwaukee. If you're in the area, pull up. Super happy with the car. Bam.